Let's do some more unboxings. I got 3 packages. This one should be a tape measure. This is the easiest one. But it's not. Oh boy. And I just cut into this. No problem. It's not a tape measure. It's an improperly shipped voltage meter for 230 volts max. It can only be also be used for 120, 110, whatever you call that. And yeah, what do you adjust here? I have to look that up. I never saw that. Maybe it's not that precise and you have to adjust it. Oh well. This was like $4 and it displays a decimal when the voltage is low. Oh, it doesn't when it needs all 3 digits. Okay. So 220 AC, it won't have any decimals. Okay. We got that out of the way. Let's see what else we got. This should be a webcam. How do you open? I'll open it off camera so I can reuse the bag for something. And what? What? Why is it double wrapped? This case is not a toy. What? Oh, product name. Okay, here it is. Camera PC. Well, yeah, it's a PC camera. Okay, and this arrived from Shenzhen or something like that, or from Hungary. Shenzhen iNext Technology, blah 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 blah, Shenzhen, China. This is kind of interesting. Because iNext is the company's name on the Romanian website. So it's a Chinese company, made in China. I never saw this before. Okay. Well, let's hope the product is good. Let's open it up again. So yeah, the local courier must have wrapped it again when it arrived in Romania. And they put an additional wrap on it. Okay. This is wrapped like a sandwich. I'm not used to this kind of wrap. What the? And it's opened. What? This is amateur hour. This is a self-sealing. Oh boy. This was $15. It was $15. Yeah. HD webcam. Up to 2k30FPS. 5 megapixels. Autofocus. Well, that would be nice. If it's not a complete lie. Realistically, I need 720p. Nobody needs more than that for webcam. But I really hope the image is clear and the autofocus works. We got a nice little tripod that can tripod itself on a flat surface. Kind of dinky. Whatever, I'm not going to use that. And here's a USB cable. And ooh, it's kind of big. It's a big boy. Big webcam, and you have a privacy filter. That's interesting. And you can only pull it one way. Just this way. And you cover one of the microphones. Allegedly, this is a microphone. Seems okay so far. You open it like this. Put it on the... Oh, you can even glue it? Or this is just to protect the rubber. There's the foil on it. I'm not going to remove it yet. Here's the screw where it mounts to the tripod. It can be taken apart with 2 screws here. 1 and 2. Good to know. And yeah, it has a protective film on this. Yeah, and the sensor, I'm not too optimistic about it because it's just like on my VGA webcam. So this may be going back. Yeah, we'll have to see. In another video I will try it out. But for now, I think it's so far so good. Some improper wrapping, some miswritten manuals. I mean, the expressions are all wrong, as usual with Chinese products, but yeah, you connect it and blah blah blah, it falls down. Okay, USB cable, indicator light for 2K lens. Well, that just cracks me up. The plastic, is the plastic 4K? Oh boy. Enough of that. Let's see the third one. Then I don't know what the third one is. I think I ordered a tape measure, but something else came in the mail. I still have 3 packages to pick up, but they haven't arrived yet. So I don't know what these are. Maybe some multimeter prongs, I think, that I ordered for $1. Evo Tools. Ceramica. I don't think this is the original package. Let's cut it open like an animal. And let's see what's inside. Oh! It is the tape measure. And nothing else. Just the tape measure. How do you take this off? Oh! With the belt clip. Man, this is really crappy. It was $1. But it works. I needed the small one. I bought a good one for like $5. Like really long and good quality. This is shit quality, and for small jobs, just 2 meters. The other one is 5 meters. So yeah, this will be a handy dandy, and that smells Chinese plastic. So yeah, I think this is a win, but I didn't get the thing I was hoping for. Okay, I'll make a video. Well, the webcam may be interesting. The other stuff, maybe I'll do a short about the voltmeter to see. Yeah, I'm not nervous at all. You have to plug this right into the mains. Maybe it will burn down. Oh boy. Oh, allegedly it goes to 500 volts. That's good to know. So maybe it won't burn down. Cool. Yeah, I make a short about this. And a longer video about the webcam coming up.